Jai Gurudev. In this video, I am going to tell you all about different types of thieves mentioned in Rudram, the great Hindu text downloaded from Akasha by Rishis. In this video, I am going to tell you all about different types of around 14 types of thieves exist in the society in the world, which are mentioned in the Rudram, the great Hindu text, which was downloaded from Akasha by more than 84,000 rishis. And about these thieves, there are around 14 types of thieves exist in society. They are thieves who secretly steal things of yours. First category is thieves who secretly steal things belongs to others. Second category is thieves, the people who cheats and steal. Being a confident, being a trusted person of you, being a trusted person of us, they will cheat and steal things from us. And the third type is the people who cheats master all the times in always. Third type is who cheats the master all time in always. And fourth type is associating as a confident, as a trusted person, and steals without others' knowledge. The fourth type of thief is associating as a confident or trusted person and steals without others' knowledge. And the fifth type is live in master's house with and steal in the master's house with alertness for stealing things. The fifth type is in master's house with alertness for stealing things. And the next category, there are 7 types of thieves in this category. The thieves who secretly steal from marketplace. The thieves who do steal secretly, and the thieves who do thefts in marketplace, and the thieves who do thefts from fields, that is the farm fields and other types of fields. And another category is the thieves who do thefts in single person, who do thefts by going as a single person in forest. There are 2 types of thieves in forest, who go as a single person in forest and do theft from others. And another category is who go as a group in forest and go and steal things in the forest as a group. These people go as a group and steal things from others and other things as a group. And other type of thieves is they travel in night and do harm to animals. Another type of thieves is who travel in night. And other type of thieves is who do harm to animals, who are harming animals. Thieves who are in forest as a single in forest along with thieves in marketplace for stealing things. The thieves who harm animals, and the thieves who steal grains in the fields, and the thieves who move in the night. And other 3 kinds of robbers are there. The first kind of robber is who do robberies openly. they come and do robberies openly. And another kind of robbers are another kind of robbers is that they kill people, kill others, and steal their belongings. They come to the house, they come to houses, or come to the offices, or come to other places. They come and kill all the people who are in the houses or offices or in other places and steal their belongings. And third type of robbers are who rob houses and fields. They come with weapons and all other things. They come to houses and rob what houses whatever extent they can. And other is who comes to fields with their weapons and rob fields and whatever they can. In this way, there are 14 kinds of thieves are mentioned in the Rudram, that is the highest text in the Hinduism. I will tell again about all these thieves, 14 kinds of thieves. 14 kinds of thieves. First one is the thieves who do thefts secretly. You can see all these in YouTube also. There are many videos in CCTV cameras who are stealing things secretly. You can watch many videos in like that. Like that, thieves who do thefts secretly, and the people who cheats and steal being a confident and people who cheats master all times in all ways, and people who associating as a confident that is a trusted person and steals without others knowledge, and thieves in master house with alertness for stealing things. And the other 7 kinds of thieves are the thieves who do thefts secretly, and the thieves who do thefts in marketplace, and the thieves who do thefts in fields. And thieves in the forest are 2 types. One type is they go singly and do thefts from others, and another type is they go in group manner and go steal things from others in forest. And others 2 types of thieves are they travel in night and do thefts. And another type of thieves are they do harm to animals during night and day. Like that, thieves who are in forest as a single and in forest along with other thieves and do thieves in marketplace for stealing things, and thieves who do harm animals, and thieves who steal grains in fields, and thieves who move in night when most of the people are sleeping. There are 3 types of robbers are there. Robbers who do robberies openly, robbers who kill people and steal all their belongings whatever extent they can, and the robbers who rob houses, and the robbers who rob fields. Like that, around 14 types of thieves and robbers are mentioned in Rudram. Like that, I will tell more things about thieves and robbers in further videos. Jai Gurudev.